Good morning. Let's pack today's lunchbox. I made lemon rice and lady's finger fry. I have already shared the recipe. Now let's make French toast sticks for her snacks box. Take egg, milk, sugar, vanilla in a bowl. Mix it really well so it forms into a custard like consistency. Now take your bread slices, cut it into strips. Place the bread slices into the egg mixture. Coat it on both sides. Now melt some butter in a pan. Place the bread slices in the butter. Cook on both sides on medium heat till it is nice and golden brown. Meanwhile, make the cinnamon sugar. Take sugar, cinnamon powder. Place the French toast and coat it in the cinnamon sugar. That's it. Your French toast sticks is done. Now let's pack the lunchbox and snacks box. So I added lemon rice and lady's finger fry in her lunchbox and French toast is in her snacks box. This is what I packed in my kids lunchbox today. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.